come with me as I'm gonna buy a coffee downstairs. Even if I'm already like early for 5 minutes or even, I don't know. It's fine. I need the coffee. This is the fit, by the way. Korean. Hi, Diva. I'm gonna go buy coffee. Yeah, pick up. You want? Okay. Diba? I'm plugged in here. Korean, baby. The dolls are here, baby. Let's go. No. Wala pa. And ang konti pala ng tao. Bryce. Ay, oo nga pala. Baba ang doll. Lulu, just to get that Maui Baui. We're gonna get Bronx, baby. Let's go. Ingat ka. Diba? Pick up, baby. We're here at Pick Up Coffee. Oh, it's... Okay, baby. Oh my God, I'm so dumb. Hi, Apple. I'm gonna get Cafe Castilla, then ice, then upside.
Regular and regular.
Regular. Parang ito yung size ng mega. Size ko ng mega. Pati magkano po?
1.5. Ano ka na?
Cafe Castilla. I love that.
Sa akin paano kapag etong pistachio? 179. 170.
Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go. Pwede pa na. Period.